students, today we have done the answer with reference to context of chapter number 1. In this we will be given a sentence and some questions will be asked regarding to that sentence. The first sentence is the stories that we tell in the forest in the evening. And the first question is, who said these words and to whom? And the answer is, Anansi the spider said these words to the tiger. Second sentence is, what did the speaker want to be done with the stories? कि जो speaker था वो stories के साथ क्या करना चाहता था? So the answer is, Anansi wanted the stories to be named after his name. कि अनांसी चाहता था कि सभी जो evening stories थी उन stories को उसका नाम मिल जाए. Third question is, did the listener agree to his request? कि जो listener था क्या वो उसकी request मान जाता है? And the answer is yes, the tiger agreed to his request. Second sentence is, tiger, I will do whatever you ask. कि tiger, तुम जैसा कहोगे मैं वैसा करूँगा. First question is, who said these words and to whom? And the answer is, Anansi the spider said these words to the tiger. Second question is, what did the tiger ask the speaker to do? कि जो tiger था वो speaker को क्या करने के लिए बोलता है? And the answer is, tiger asked Anansi to bring him Mr. Snake alive. कि tiger Anansi को Mr. Snake को जिंदा लाने के लिए, जिंदा पकड़ के लाने के लिए कहता है. Third question is, did the speaker agree to the condition laid down by the tiger? कि क्या जो speaker था वो टाइगर की रखी हुई कंडीशन को, शर्त को मान गया था? एंड द आंसर इज यस. थर्ड सेंटेंस इज, ब्रिंग मी मिस्टर स्नेक अलाइव. कि मिस्टर स्नेक को मेरे पास जिंदा ला के दो. एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु सेड दीज वर्ड्स एंड टू whom? द आंसर इज, टाइगर सेड दीज वर्ड्स टू अनांसी द स्पाइडर. Second question is, where were they when these words were spoken? And the answer is, they were in a clearing of the forest when these words were spoken. Clearing means an open area in the forest. कि जब ये words बोले गए थे तब अनांसी और टाइगर फॉरेस्ट के एक ओपन एरिया में थे. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, हु सॉ देम व्हेन दीज वर्ड्स वर स्पोकन. कि जब ये वर्ड्स कहे जा रहे थे तो किसने उन्हें देखा था? एंड द आंसर इज, द फ्रॉग्स हाइडिंग अंडर द कूल लीव्स सॉ देम व्हेन दीज वर्ड्स वर सेड. कि जितने भी फ्रॉग्स लीव्स के नीचे छुपे हुए थे उन्होंने उन दोनों को बात करते हुए सुना था. कमिंग टू द बैक एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, वी हैव टू मैच द वर्ड्स ऑफ कॉलम ए विद द वर्ड्स विद द मीनिंग्स ऑफ कॉलम बी. फर्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन. Question is a sentence asking for answer. Quit. Quit means to leave, vacate, get out. Quit means छोड़ना. Quarters. Quarters means accommodation. A place where we can live. Quilt. A padded bed cover. Quilt रज़ाई. Next word is quiet. Quiet means with little or no sound. Quest means search. Now we have to use these particular words to complete the sentences of question number 3. First sentence is, near the snow covered mountains it was very quiet. कि बर्फ से भरे पहाड़ों के पास बहुत ही शांति थी. The teacher asked a dash from the history book. Question. The explorer went in quest of gold, in the search of gold. The call for the Quit India movement was made in 1942 by Mahatma Gandhi. In winter we use a thick quilt to keep the chill away. In the let's write portion of this chapter, we have to write the class of the given object, and after that we are supposed to write the quality of that particular object. So first one, an example is depicted there, and in the box we have to mention the class and quality of these objects. First is mobile phones. Mobile phones are an object. It is the class of the object, and quality is which keeps us in touch of our family members. Apples are fruits, and its quality is it keeps us healthy. The sentence related to apples is we get apples in winter. Next word is spinach, a leafy vegetable, and its quality is it is full of vitamins. Sentence is we eat spinach once in a week. Tigers are animals which lives in the forest. And the sentence related to this word is we see tigers in the zoo. And the last word is cricket. It is a game and its quality is it is very enjoyable. The sentence is we play cricket in the evening. So that is about the back exercise of chapter number 1. You can do the let's create activity by using these particular words and hints and make sentences related to tiger and Anansi the spider.